Starting position is a position which is adopted to perform any movement or stabilize the whole body. And starting position is a position which is responsible to perform any movements. This is starting position. Starting position అంటే మన లైఫ్లో ఏదైనా యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి ఆర్ ఎనీ వర్క్ ఆర్ మూమెంట్ చేయడానికి ఈ పొజిషన్ నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం రన్ చేయాలన్నా సరే స్టార్టింగ్ పొజిషన్ ఇది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టాండింగ్ అండ్ స్టార్టింగ్ పొజిషన్ దీని నుంచి ఫార్వర్డ్ మూవ్ అవుతాం. స్టార్టింగ్ పొజిషన్స్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ 5 types. One is of standing, sitting, lying, kneeling and hanging. Standing position is the first kind of starting position. In this position, the body should be bent in a straight line, feet are placed together and toes are placed apart, and should be in complete extension, and hip is placed in neutral position and laterally rotated, and spine is in a position, neck arranged straight, eyes look forward, and elevator should be closed, and shoulders are adducted, and elbow is extended, and wrist is in neutral position, and metacarpals and phalanges are in extended position. Muscle actions in this standing position. As foot is placed in neutral position, both dorsiflexors and plantar flexors are co-contract with each other and maintains in the neutral position. As knee is in completely extended position, the quadriceps contracts concentrically and hamstrings contracts eccentrically. Hip is in neutral position due to co-contraction of the flexors and extensors. Flexors is of iliopsoas and extensors is of gluteus maximus muscle. Spine is in erect position due to the co-contraction of the spinal extensors and spinal flexors, and neck is in also erect position due to the co-contraction of the extensors and flexors, and elevator should act here to close the mouth. Concentric contraction of this latissimus dorsi and pectorals will adduct this shoulder. Elbow is in extended and supinated position due to the eccentric contraction of the biceps and concentric contraction of the triceps and supinator muscles, and wrist is in neutral position due to the co-contraction of the wrist flexors and wrist extensors, and phalanges and metacarpals are in a completely extended position due to the contraction of this extensor muscles. Effects and uses of this standing position. Standing has less base of support and less stability. With a small fluctuation, person loses his stability, and this position is very useful to adapt any other derived positions like walking or sitting. Sitting is the second type of starting position, and sitting the foot is in 0 to 5 degrees dorsiflexion, and knees are flexed, and hip is flexed, spine is in erect position, neck is in erect position, eyes look forward, shoulder is adducted, elbow is supinated and extended, and wrist is extended position. Okay. Muscle works in this sitting position. Dorsiflexors and plantar flexors are co-contract with each other, and as it is in the dorsiflexion of 5 degrees, dorsiflexors contracts more concentrically. Coming to the knee joint, and knee joint is in flexion position, and flexors, hamstrings are concentrically contracted, and quadriceps are eccentrically contracted. And coming to the hip is in flexion position, and flexors of the hip iliopsoas are concentrically contracted, and extensors of the hip gluteus were eccentrically contracted. And spine is in erect position due to the co-contraction of the extensors and flexors, and neck is in erect position due to the co-contraction of the extensors and flexors. Eyes should look in forward. Elevator will help to close the mouth, and shoulder is in erected position due to the action of adductors, and elbow is in extended position due to the eccentric contraction of the biceps and concentric contraction of triceps and supinator muscles. Wrist is in neutral position, and metacarpals and phalanges are in extended position. Effects and uses of this sitting position. This sitting position is very comfortable and staying. It is a non-weight-bearing to the lower limbs. And this sitting position is suitable for those who lack strength and control to maintain the difficult positions. is the third starting position, and lying is the most stable position than any other starting positions, as it has a wider base of support. And in lying position, ankle is in dorsiflexion, knees are extended, hip is maintained in neutral position, spine is aligned straight, and neck is aligned straight, shoulders were adducted, and elbow is then extended and supinated, and wrist is in neutral position, and metacarpals and phalanges are in extended position. Muscle work in this lying position is minimal, as medial rotators of the thigh will help to maintain the both legs close together. Lumbar flexors and hip extensors are contracted to maintain the curvature of the spine. Rotators of neck will help to move the head and neck position. Lying is easy, more comfortable and stable position for the whole body, and lying position is suitable to perform many exercises. Kneeling is the fourth starting position, where the body is supported on the knees and lower leg is placed on the couch or floor, and foot is in plantar flexion, and the remaining body is in erect position, and spine is in erect position, neck is in erect position, eyes are placed forwards, and shoulder are adducted, elbow is extended and supinated, and wrist is in neutral position, and metacarpals and phalanges are in extended position. As foot is in plantar flexion, plantar flexors like gastrocnemius contracts concentrically, and dorsiflexors tibialis anterior contracts eccentrically. Knee is in flexion position, as the flexors, hamstrings are contracted concentrically and quadriceps are contracted eccentrically. Hip is in neutral position and laterally rotated due to the co-contraction of extensors and flexors. Hip extensors and lumbar flexors are contracted to maintain the pelvis, and spinal extensors and spinal flexors are co-contracted to maintain the stable position of the spine, and neck flexors and neck extensors are co-contracted to maintain the neck position. Eyes are looked forward. This is the most uncomfortable or unstable position, and it has less base of support, and the whole body weight lies on the knee. Hanging is the last fundamental position. The body is suspended by grasping horizontal bar. Is in neutral position, elbow is flexed, and shoulder is flexed and abducted, and spine is in erect position, and the body is suspended. The ankle is in plantar flexor position. Wrist and fingers are in a flexed position due to the strong contraction of the grasping muscles, and elbow is in extended position due to the contraction of the extensors, and shoulder is in flexed position and abducted due to the contraction of the flexors and abductors. Spine is in erect position due to the contraction of extensors and flexors. Hip is in neutral position due to the co-contraction of the flexors and extensors, and knee is in completely extended position due to the co-contraction of flexors and extensors, and ankle is in plantar flexor position due to the contraction of the gastrocnemius. Effects and uses. This is the most uncomfortable position to obtain, and the whole weight is maintained on the upper extremities. Strengthening exercises can be done in this position.